hoping the microphone's working. It looks like it is on me actually. Let me turn it the other way around because it's going to annoy me. There we go. Perfect. Today's very special microphone guest, the Hirono Secret, my first Hirono Secret. And it's not even mine, it's my sister's. She gave it me. As well as this little guy. But yeah, this is the mic stand for today. It's a very lovely, lovely spring sunny day. And I'm inside, as usual. Anyway, I just look a mess and the background's a mess and everything's a mess, but it's fine. What's a me video without anything but a mess, without something but a mess? The good news is I found my mic, attach a pluggy anything, so the sound quality should be how it usually is, hopefully. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you? I hope you're all doing well. I took a little break again. It's been about a month since my last upload. Ooh, yeah. I've been on and off with crocheting. I've kind of done some things in my own time. Been focusing more on other things. Yeah, I've got no excuse really. I've just been kind of iffy with crochet and a little bit stuck, and my yarn stash is overwhelming me to say the least, so I haven't really been doing anything to do with crochet, but today's video will change that. I'm saying today's video, but this might take like a week or even the rest of the month to do. It's currently like the 20th of April, something like that, and yeah, like I said, I have been on and off with crocheting in my own time and I've completed 0 projects since the cardigan one that I uploaded. One thing I've always done as a crocheter, which I'm quite proud of myself for, is I've always stuck to one project at a time. So I don't have loads of WIPs and I don't have loads of things to concentrate on. It's just one thing and I don't have to think about what I'm crocheting. It's just that. Now unfortunately, in the past couple of weeks I've accumulated quite a few WIPs and not good. So I need to finish them off and I have other projects that I want to start, but I refuse to start them until I've finished these unfinished ones. So then it's mainly because of space. Like I just don't have the space to have these unfinished projects laying around with all this yarn that needs using. So yeah, this morning I went through my yarn trolley and plucked out all of my unfinished pieces, popped them right at the top with the yarn that I need to use for them, and that's what we're going to be doing in this video. We're going to be going through each project and finishing it. I don't know how long that'll take, but yeah, there's not a lot. There's literally like 4 or 5, but then there's also a big project that I kind of want to do on camera, but I don't know whether to do that on a separate one or whether to do it on this one. I'm not too sure, but yeah, I'll take you through what I found and then the plan, and then yeah, get on with it. I'm not going to be talking a lot in it. I think I'm just probably going to be doing time lapses and then little updates here and there, like the usual crochet vlogs that I do. But yeah, as per usual as well, I'm starting this on my last day off. I've had 2 days off and it's currently about 2 o'clock. I think I'm just going to talk you through it and then put the insert videos of what I'm going to use and what it looks like currently and all that jazz. You like jazz? And all that jazz. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing in this video, if that is something you're interested in. Then keep on watching, but without further ado, let's get into it, my darlings. Okay, so I made a little list of the 2026 crochet projects that I want to make from now onwards. Obviously there's going to be a lot more. This is just the ones that I want to have done maybe like before summer or like for summer. There's a lot more, but these are the main ones. Some of them I've already started, some of them I'm already planning. So we have 2 pairs of spiral gloves. I did want to make these for spring because in summer we probably won't be needing gloves that much, but they are fingerless, so I could probably still wear them because they're still going to be cold summer days. It's the UK, it's Great Britain, it's still going to be cold when it's summer. So yeah, I have these ones which are brown, cream and green. I literally have the 4 sides done. All I need to do is sew them together and then make like the little wristy bit and the little finger bit, and they're done. Like, I don't know why I haven't completed these yet. They're so quick and easy to do. I don't know why. And then the same goes for these ones. These are a little more tricky because I'm using like a mohair type mix, and the thing is with this one, I've only done 3 sides. I know which video I used, but I know that I didn't use the hook size that they did, and I'm pretty sure I didn't video any of it, but I need to go and have a look because I can't remember what hook size that's why I've not completed these ones, because I can't remember what hook size I used, and I still need to do one side of the glove, and then I need to sew them together and crochet the bottom and crochet the top. So yeah, they'll probably be the first ones that I do because they are really quick and easy. I just need to use my brain a little bit on the second pair, but yeah, those ones should be fine. And then this is one of the projects that I've been doing on my own, just because I've already made a Lilith top. This is the exact same Lilith top I made for this video, except I'm doing it in a brown. And I've done the bottom bit pretty much. I'm just on the last row of the bottom bit where it's the little spiky spikes, and then I just need to do the cups basically. Again, I don't know why I've not got this done. I did the bottom bit in like a night, so I don't know what my excuse is. I have none. This is my issue. If I'm on a roll with a project, I just need to stick with it because I'll get it done so much quicker. But yeah, that's another one. And then I think this is the last one that so I did this little jewellery holder. I just need to weave in the ends and then actually put it up. And then the last actual WIP that I have, I do believe, that I plan on finishing anyway, the WIP that I plan on finishing, I've got like a star blanket, but that can just be like a progressive thing, that's fine. The last one that I have is a bikini. This was just like I don't really know, like I'm planning on going on holiday in the summer and I really want to crochet a few pieces for it. I think it'd be super duper cute to do that. This, again, literally took me like 2 hours to do the cups. Super duper easy. The only issue with this one is I've done it in cotton, so that obviously like when you're doing a bikini it's best to do it in cotton yarn. I've run out of the green yarn, so I've done both cups. All I need to do is the tie at the top and then the tie at the back, and I've run out of yarn, so I don't know whether to go to Sossengrun and get the same. I know what yarn it is exactly. This will be something for after payday, because with that, the cotton yarn that I'm going to get from Sossengrun, I don't know if I'm saying that right, but I always call it Sossengrun. I also want to make my boyfriend a little a little holiday t-shirt for him to wear on holiday as well, and I want cotton yarn for that, like a nice beige or like a dusty blue maybe, or like a navy, but I want to go to Sossengrun to get those as well. So yeah, I think I'm going to do that because I have other cotton yarns, but there's just none that would fit with the green that I've used for the top. So yeah, there's none that would fit with the green that I've used for the top, so there's that, yeah. But I think that's it for the WIPs. They're not going to take long. There's just little bits in each one pretty much that I just have to figure out, or just like get on with it, you know what I mean? Just literally sit down and get on with it instead of just going on Overwatch. I'm back on Overwatch now. I've left League for a little bit and now I'm back on Overwatch. But yeah, and then the other things that I really want to make are these raccoon like bag holders for the kitchen. Me and Lauren wrote about it, doing a light one with a little pink bow and then doing a darker one with like a little blue dicky bow. So like, you know what I mean? Little girl and a little boy, bless them. So yeah, to have those two either for like veggies or for, like I said, bags, like rubbish bags, like carrier bags, you know what I mean. And then what's the other thing that I wanted to make? Yes, the cardigan that I made, the brown one, I want to make it in a black and a pink for Alice. I don't think I'll be doing that on camera though. And then I think that's pretty much it. Just like a bunch of holiday things. I want to do like a crochet my summer wardrobe, crochet my holiday wardrobe series potentially. Like I want to make bikinis, I want to make skirts, like I want to make like a bikini set, and then I want to make like a cover-up skirt, a nice little, I want to make the lace cardigan that I always talk about in my videos. I want to make that. I want to make it in a cotton. I think that'd be really cute for holiday. More beach bags. What else do I want to crochet? Just some cute little accessories, you know. But yeah, this video is going to be about finishing my WIPs, and then my brain is freshly ready to make some new stuff, and it's less overwhelmed when I look at the amount of things I have to finish before I start a new project, which I think is a good thing. Even if I don't use the gloves, that's fine. But yeah, that is everything. That's the plan. I think I'm going to start off with I know I said I was going to start off with the gloves, but I kind of want to start off with a Lilith top because then I can wear it and it's really cute anyway. So yeah, I think I might start with the Lilith top, and then we'll see where the day takes us, see where the week takes us. There's no rush for these really. It's only just getting warmer, so yeah. But yeah, let's just get on with it. Bye. Okay, I've just watched the video back. I don't know why, but my microphone isn't actually connected. So ignore all the times where I'm like, oh, but at least my microphone's working, because it isn't, and I don't know why, and now I'm just angry. So I'm going to be angrily crocheting in the next couple of clips. Anyway. Hey, hello. Just looking back at the clips that you've just seen, it was about 3 weeks ago.
I am shocked and appalled.
Yeah. Ignore the mess and just my general presence in these clips. Yeah, it's been about 3 weeks. Where did the time go? I've got no fucking clue. I've got no idea whatsoever. And now we have more WIPs. I'm also getting a little bit of a cold. Yeah, I've found more WIPs and I've also started more things and I've got more ideas and I just don't know what to do. I really want to continue this video because obviously I finished my Lilith top. That was a big thing. That turned out pretty cool. A little bit big on the top, but I feel like it'll be fine if I put a bra on underneath, get like a brown bra maybe, I don't know. But yeah, I don't plan on finishing the gloves, I'm not gonna lie, because it has been really warm and we're obviously transitioning to summer. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with those. I've also picked up some yarn to make my boyfriend a holiday top, but I think I'm gonna do that in another video, like separate video. And then, excusey, I'm also gonna make a granny square holiday top because I saw one on Pinterest the other day, but I can't find a pattern. I'm pretty sure it's just 6, either 4 or 6. I'm pretty sure it's 6 big starburst granny squares. But yeah, I can't find a pattern on it, so we're gonna wing that one. But it's just like a really loose, flowy granny square crop top, and I think it'd be great for summer / holidays. The Ollibobs. Yeah, I've not been recording anything though, so that's been fun. It's been quite a busy couple of weeks. But Lauren's just asked if I want to go to Off the Canvas, which is like a cute little cafe, and at the moment they're doing like this huge mural where like artists can come in and paint on the wall for free, you don't have to pay for it. But I'm not that type of artist. I'm not a paint, draw, digital artist. Obviously, I'm a crochet artist. But I think it'd just be fun to go and sit and have nothing else distracting me, because that's my issue these days. I just get distracted so easily. So yeah, I'm gonna sit and I'm gonna make something, and I'm gonna also continue Aragon because I'm only on like page 100 and I want to try and finish it within the next week, so that's fun. What was the other thing? One thing I'm going to make, which was really quick, so you can't see it in a minute because my bag's over there, but I made this cute little bow for my bag for an event I went to. That was the colours of my boyfriend's esports team, and I wanted to represent them somehow, so I made a cute little bow for my bag and I carried it around. It was very cute, but it was really fun and really easy. So I'm going to make Lauren a pink and white one and make Alice a white pink one, just like the gloves that I made them for Christmas. So yeah, that's one of the things that I'm going to make. I've got some white and pink cotton yarn that I'm going to be using. I'm obsessed with cotton yarn. It feels weird going back to acrylic. So yeah, I'm going to use those for that. So I'm going to take that with me. I think that's the project that I'm going to do because I don't think I'm going to be there for too long. So I'm going to take the white and pink yarn, make those, and then read. And then I don't really know what I'm going to make in this one, because the granny square holiday top I kind of want to make into a separate video. But yeah, that's in like another 2.5 hours, so I'm gonna get ready now so I'm not rushing around, and then continue reading. But yeah, I'll see you when we're on the canvas. Might get something to eat as well. Might treat myself to a little bit of munch.